Hi there, my name is Ashlia and welcome to this EFT tapping session. So if you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, this video is here to help guide you back to feeling more grounded and calm within. And by the end of this video, you'll be feeling a lot better and, like I said, more grounded. So EFT, or Emotional Freedom Technique, is a really simple yet powerful method that involves gently tapping on specific meridian points, or you can say energy points, with the use of affirmations to help shift those unwanted emotions and beliefs. So in short, the tapping process on these specific meridian points help guide and move that energy out of your body. I would say it's like an emotional reset button that helps you release those undesirable emotions quickly and in the moment. So I also created a EFT guide to go along with this video. So not only does it also have the tapping sequence for you to follow, but I also listed out the most common unwanted emotions with the relevant affirmations that you can say that will help release and shift them. Okay, so let's dive in and start shifting your worry into confidence. So just follow along with me in the video and I'll guide you every step of the way. So starting at the side of your hand of choice, begin tapping and say the following affirmations. Even though I feel worried, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm feeling worried, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Now at the top of the head, even though I feel worried, I trust that everything is working out for my highest good. Even though I feel worried, I trust that everything is working out for my highest good. And now, in between the eyebrows, I release the need to control outcomes and embrace peace. I release the need to control outcomes and embrace peace. And now the side of the eyes, I choose to feel calm and trust the process of life. I choose to feel calm and trust the process of life. I focus on the present moment and let go of future concerns. I focus on the present moment and let go of future concerns. I release worry and replace it with faith in my journey. I release worry and I replace it with faith in my journey. I trust that everything is unfolding perfectly for my growth. I trust that everything is unfolding perfectly for my growth. I am free from worry and completely trust in the perfect timing of my life. I am free from worry and I completely trust in the perfect timing of my life. Peace fills my heart as I embrace the present moment and know that all is well. Peace fills my heart as I embrace the present moment and know that all is well. And lastly, I am grateful for feeling calm, confident, and assured. I am grateful for feeling calm, confident, and assured. And that's it. And if you like, go through this session a few more times from the top until you feel more calm, assured, and confident. Okay, so well done and congratulations on completing your EFT tapping session. I hope you feel so much better now, and you should also feel so proud of yourself because you've just taken a step towards your own emotional freedom. And now you have a tool that you can use at any time to help you release not only worry if it comes up again in the future, but also any other undesirable emotions that you have. And don't forget to get your guide linked in the description below with a list of other common undesirable emotions and their affirmations to help you release them as well. So thank you so much for joining me.